Once the inputs and tools and techniques have been considered, following outputs can be achieved on account of develop project charter process. Project charter. The project charter is a document issued by the project initiator or sponsor that formally authorizes the existence of a project and provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. It documents the high-level information on the project, such as project purpose, measurable project objectives and related success criteria, high-level requirements, high-level project descriptions, boundaries and key deliverables, overall project risk, summary milestone schedule, pre-approved financial resources, key stakeholders list, project approval requirements, that is what constitutes project success, who decides the project is successful and who signs off on the project exit criteria, that is what are the conditions to be met in order to close or to cancel the project or phase, assign project manager and its authority level, and name and authority of the sponsor or other persons authorizing the project charter. At a high level, the project charter ensures a common understanding by the stakeholders of the key deliverables, milestones, and the roles and responsibilities of everyone involved in the project. Then finally, we have the assumption log. High-level strategic and operational assumptions and constraints are normally identified in the business case before the project is initiated and will flow or trickle down into the project charter. Lower level activity and task assumptions are generated throughout the project, such as defining technical specifications, estimates, the schedules, risks, etc. The assumption log is used to record all assumptions and constraints throughout the project lifecycle. See you in the next lecture.